These guys have to be to school at 7. So we have to leave at 6:48. They have early bird orchestra. Do you feel weird that I'm staring at you?
No.
Ava is a 7th grader, but she is playing with high schoolers. Ooh! We're all kind of dreading today because I have my field trip. Oh my gosh, it's terrible. I mean, it's good, but it's just a long day and I'm on a bus all day. Why are you dreading today, Ava?
Me? I don't know.
Bud? Finn?
Oh, I think it's because it's Monday and it's just like, ugh.
And it's cold. It is cold out. Yeah, it's cold. It's cold. I don't know if you'll see us again today or not because it's gonna be a hectic day. Do we have anything tonight? Or not?
I think so.
That's good. That's good. All right. Anything else? Anybody?
No.
No. Just this one. You're cute, Ben. Tuesday. I almost said Wednesday. Another cold day. It's freezing. And it's rainy. Tomorrow it is supposed to warm up. It is the 21st of May and we're wearing winter coats. What is going on? Finn does not have flute tonight. Got canceled. Ava has something this morning. Show choir or something. Whatever. Here we go. Look at my bag. Our bird is locked out. Just break the window. Well, it's kind of early, I guess. Well, let's just wait. Somebody will be coming.
Oh, there's a...
Hey, are you riding the bus after school? Okay.
If not, Mommy, I'll text you.
Okay.
Why are you still video?
Because it's funny. Bye. Love you. Bye, bud. Is that a teacher? Ava is trapped. We're sitting here until she gets it. Oh my God. Do people have enough room to get over? Maybe just pull up. Sun is shining. It doesn't feel warm yet. It's supposed to get to 80.
I think it feels nice.
Ooh, the sun is blinding me. It is Wednesday. I thought Bubby had early bird today, but he does not. He has it tomorrow. Anything else happening? Anything?
No.
Her baby. What are you doing? Her baby.
This way.
Hi.
I'm videotaping you.
Are you?
Ava.
Oh, she's abandoned you.
She's back.
Oh, she's back. What are you eating, Ava?
Apple.
Oh.
And Meow wanted to get in my drawer and pee on my clothes. So I built something so she wouldn't. I put 2 hangers on this and then I taped them on so they wouldn't fall. So when she tries to open it, because she's closed, she can't get in. Oh, Meow.
Sun. Look at it. It's Thursday today. Do you want to sit in the front, George, or Ava? You want to? Okay, Bub's gonna sit in the front. Today is preschool graduation for my morning class, 3-year-olds, and we have a water party. And I'm sorry, it's like this. So I have to bring a ton of crap. Also, I do a big old. I'm gonna set that there. Can you see me? I do a big old family competition. I do all kinds of that kind of stuff. But it's a lot of work, but it's really fun. So that's today. Bubby has early bird, so we're going to school super early. There's Bubby. There's the sissies.
Finn slept on a pencil.
Yes, Finn has a sore tush because she slept on a pencil.
That makes no sense.
It doesn't. It really doesn't. It makes no sense. And okay, hello. It's a little bit cold. I'm a little bit chilly.
Really? I'm not.
But I am in a tank top because I will be sweating in a matter of moments. All day long, sweat. Let's see, what else is there? Anybody have anything tonight?
You do?
I do? Oh yeah, I got my group. Tomorrow is my mother's birthday.
Really?
Whoops. So, We're taking her out.
Can I go get my lunch?
Hurry! Go fast! Finn! Your brother's gonna be late. Ava, don't let me forget to get you a check. Does she have her shoes on?
Yeah.
Finn!
I tried to go out the wrong door.
Well, she forgot. So Ava, just scooch over so that she can just jump in. I'm currently driving in reverse.
You're fine, you're good.
Am I gonna hit the curb?
Mom is the professional driver.
No, I'm terrible. Come on, Finn! Where the heck is she? She's freaking out right now. I thought you'd be freaking out. Why are you laughing? Making your brother late. Drive. Okay. Well, all right, here we go. Oh, I thought you were Finn. There's the naughty one.
Precise metalworking and artistic.
I don't even know what to say. I hope you're kind of picky as to say. Thank you. Hi guys, it is Friday. It is Memorial Day weekend, and the bummer of this weekend is that it is supposed to rain the entire weekend. The whole weekend it says rain. Ava, will you take these books for me? The older two have early bird today. I did not make it to the gym this morning because I was freaking on bills.
Ava, do you have your cello?
Yes, Ava, your flipping cello. Oops. Hurry up, woman. Good thing you reminded her, George. Oh my. Let's see. So today is my mom's birthday. Happy birthday to you, Mother.
Oh my goodness.
Oh, I closed the brown door. I did. Are you guys gonna be late? And
On Facebook.
so we're going out to celebrate her birthday tonight.
We are tonight?
Yeah. And so I need to exercise tonight. I need to grocery shop sometime. This is the weekend I was gonna clean my kitchen, my dump closet.
We have to clean the car.
Yes, tomorrow I get a massage.
And tomorrow?
You guys are cleaning the car, good. And Finn has a thingamabobber to make.
Yeah.
There she comes. There comes Ava with her giant cello. And what? That project thing. Good job, Ava. In your defense, you never ever have to take your cello. What else? Anything? I don't know. Okay, let's go. Good job. I'm going to pick up Ava from Early Bird to take her from high school to Evans, and oh my gosh, look at the sky. It's dark on my camera as it does in person. It's sunny. Wow, behind me it is dark. We're gonna get a good storm. You know, I do love a good storm. I do. Comes her Ava before you get caught in the rain. Bless her little heart carrying that humongous honking cello. Bless her. My mom's birthday. And we're going out for a birthday, what do you call it? Is it just, it's not really a birthday party, is it? And Kelly made her awesome sugar cookie. Figure out how to close this box. Oh my gosh. I paid Kelly to make 2 dozen sugar cookies.
True story.
Good thing nobody knows that because we're only taking 20 of them. Because I'm saving 4. Now, 2 of them are for Bubby, and 2 of them are for me. What are you doing?
Are you taking some of these?
No, I don't eat artificial sweetener through the week.
It's Friday. It's not Saturday.
It's not the weekend.
It's close enough to Saturday.
We'll survive.
No, I'm saying for you. It's close.
Whatever, you were saying for you. So, happy birthday. And hey, good thing Mom doesn't watch our vlogs because she'll never know. She'll never know that I stole 2 of her birthday cookies.
And so now, when she finally says,
Play until we
Man, your elbow has to be on the table.
Here.
Stop for that water
No,
glass.
like on the whole.
Wait, I
Okay.
can help him. He's gonna help her. Ready?
Nice one. And then when I clench your hand, then we go. Ready? 3, 2, 1, go.
There's a giant spider in the bathroom.
where?
He's huge.
Yeah.
in the shower, on the wall. He's doing this. Up, up.
Oh, yeah. That's the ugly one.
He's meaty, Jacob. No, you can't. You gotta use some. That will not. He will get you. No, he
What
will.
if I smash it?
What if he jumps at you? Hold on, don't do it yet. I gotta. Oh my God, Jake. Jacob, I'm so glad you are here. Oh my God. Oh God. Where is he?
He's in the bathtub.
Oh my God, his guts are up there.
I know. I need to wash that off.
Just get that toilet paper a little wet. Is he dead, honey?
Yeah.
I'm so glad you. I couldn't do it. Thank you, Jesus, for Jacob as my husband. Is his guts everywhere?
On the wall.
Are you having trouble getting a hold of him?
I'm just trying to pick him up from the middle.
You've had the biggest spider you've ever seen in your life. Thank you, honey. You look so cozy. Are you so tired?
No more guts.
Are you a tired little baby love? Lay your head down. No. Good morning, meow. Good morning, meowing. Good morning. Meow. Oh, yes. Daddy is good at rubbing, isn't he? Yeah. You say thank you? Oh, you gonna bite him now? Oh. Oh. Where are you jealous? Finn's bedding it. Oh, your mouth is open. Are you alright?
He always has that tongue partially sticking out.
You alright, Purr? Run. You know what? No matter. I can't breathe and talk. No matter how many times I do it, it never gets easier. I just gotta keep on doing it. Oh my gosh. So last week I was in here and it was not turned on. I was complaining because the sun is not even hot. Or maybe I didn't vlog that, maybe. Well, they're making up for it this week. Holy buckets of fire. I just finished my run. I did 4 miles. I'm going to sit here for 20 minutes. I've got like maybe 9 minutes to go. I'm dying. I'm getting a massage. Do I look like I'm asleep? Oh my gosh, you guys. Jacob got me a massage for Mother's Day. Oh, I just finished it. Oh, dang, that was really nice. That was really, really nice. I wish I wasn't so cheap so I could do that like way more often. So good. So good. You guys, guess where we are. Look at our attire. Guess where we are. Can you guess? Can you guess? It is not that warm. It is the first day's open, so the waters will be freezing. But we're doing it anyway. We're doing it. Are excited. Jacob's at home putting a new ceiling fan, and we're here. But you guys, you cannot go inside.
At the end.
All right. Yeah. Is it super cold?
It's not that bad, honestly. It's not horrible.
I think it's cold.
Definitely cold, but it's not bad.
The crowds are going away because well, my kids are still out there. That Goofy is supposed to be talking to me this thing. I went in and sat in the water for a little bit. That water is cold. Oh, but I told the kids they'll stay as long as they want to, and they're still at it. So here we are. We have our first. You know what? It is always do it. It's always you that has blood on the first day we go to the pool. Last year, I'm pretty sure you had blood too on your shoulder. Wasn't that you or was it Ava?
I don't know. I think it was me.
Are you done? You okay? Love you. Park. Finn can fly around her thing. Oh my lord, you're gonna hurt yourself. Can you guys see the gnats? There's little gnats.
Mom, you ready?
It is 7:12 at night and we had to leave the house because Jacob is working on getting a new ceiling fan put in. It's not going well.
Yeah, and the power will be off and we're gonna be
We
bored.
just talked about something I'm not happy about.
And look at
Oh my god.
from the beach today.
And I
So
lost my
we don't know.
tan.
Let me see. Well, you
Do
don't have
I?
a tan line.
Mom, look at my watch and my ponytails.
So I bet you. Yeah, I bet you didn't, bud.
Look at this.
We went to the park, but I got attacked by gnats. So now nobody really wants to go to Hobby Lobby, but we don't know what the heck else to do. I've already eaten. We're not spending any money. We're trying to be good about spending. I have a gift card. I have a gift card. And they have stuff 75% off. And if you're in my family, you're gonna see that lots of times I get stuff cheap for Christmas when things are cheap. That's kind of my game. It's my gig. So we're gonna just come in here and check it out. Leaving Hobby Lobby, and
I saw
the
lightning.
thunder's crazy, but it's not raining yet.
So lightning.
The sky's nuts. Look at. Ooh, that's very ominous.
Ominous.
It's normally not like this. Till like,
Oh, did you see that?
Jacob
yes,
said he
I
got
just
the
saw
fan
a
fixed. Ooh,
raindrop.
look over here. They hold what?
They're like the ones that
Hold the
those
rain?
clouds make thunderstorms.
Oh. Sundays are meant
And coffee.
Daddy.
Wait, hold on. And coffee.
Daddy has requested raised donuts for Marion. And what kind? Do you want chocolate on them?
Nothing. I like them just plain.
Oh, I'm gonna pick those up today. We have been very productive this morning. We've been cleaning. I've been barking orders at everyone. And everyone loves that, don't you? The girls have been cleaning as well. Now we're at church. Bailey and Ava are playing at our town's graduation today.
I have to play with high schoolers.
Yes. High schoolers. Got a new fan, and Jacob has been fighting this fan for how many hours, Jacob? Nothing can ever be simple for Jacob. He got the old fan down, and the wiring within our wall was goofy. So he spent literally about 5 hours trying to figure that out. Couldn't. Called a buddy of his who came over. They figured it out. Then they put the fan up, but one of the blades was cockeyed and weird. And so then last night, 9 o'clock at night, he had to take the whole thing down and return it and got a new one. Sunday morning, and he's putting the new one up, and we're thinking it's working. We're praying like mad. Jacob was so frustrated yesterday. He wanted to punch a hole. And of course, look at this. We're gonna have a big old hole in our ceiling, and Jacob will fix that eventually. But right now, we're just waiting
Worrying
to
about
see.
the fan.
Yep. Look at Jacob. Husband, you're so awesome. Yeah. It's the giant pan. Jacob still has to fix the hole and stuff.
Yes. But
It
I'll get
really works nicely.
It does. And it's not shaking, like, hardly at all.
I like it. It sounds loud even.
And it's very breezy. It's very
It's
breezy.
because we got the giant one.